So it's Saturday today and we are on our way to the office. Meron tayong asikasuhin for a client. But before going to the office, I had a policy review with the client and nireview namin yung kanyang financial needs. So we're done with health, we're done with income protection, next is education. 5 years na lang college na yung anak niya. And it's not enough to have sufficient growth ng kanyang pera to pay for the tuition fee ng kanyang anak. Ideally kasi ang educational planning, ginagawa yan kapag ang bata ay 4 to 6 years old. Kapag 0 to 4 years old, mahal pa yung rider. Pagka beyond 6 years old naman, mahal na ang premium dahil konti na lang yung panahon upang ma-ensure na meron kang pambabayad sa tuition fee. Kano ba dapat ang paghandaan ko para sa tuition fee or college funding ng anak ko? Go to the website, finduniversity.ph. In the Philippines, according to studies, ang tuition fee daw nag-i-increase by 10% every 2 years. So from there, from the tuition fee in that website, you'll be able to do the math. O kung ikaw ay may anak at gusto mo silang bigyan ng magandang kinabukasan, talk to your financial advisor today and be future ready.